Hey everyone, in this video you will get a Metamask card honest review. Stick to the end and don't miss any important point. Metamask card is a crypto debit card designed to let users spend their crypto asset directly from their Metamask wallet anywhere Mastercard is accepted. It offers a seamless bridge between Web3 and traditional payments, allowing you to spend ETH and other supported tokens without needing to manually convert to fiat. One of its key advantages is directly wallet integration, eliminating the need for third-party custodianship. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies and has no monthly fees and allows real-time transaction based on your wallet balance. However, there are few downsides to consider. Network gas fees still apply, especially on Ethereum, and since crypto transactions may be taxable in some countries, using the card regularly could create a complex tax trail. Availability is also limited to selected regions, so not everyone can access it just yet. Overall, the Metamask card is a convenient tool for active crypto users, but it is not ideal for casual users or those seeking for a free, simplified experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. That's it.